Welcome to Yacht Limitless. My name is Mikhail and I will give you a tour today. We'll start at the bottom. This is a 101 foot Hargrave, and this is our swim platform, and the entrance from here is for the crew area. This is where the crew will live. We're a crew of 4 and our engine room is also close by us. Should anything go wrong, we're right there for your safety. We have a beautiful aft deck where people can come sit here. We have beautiful dinners, lunches and our breakfast. And over here you can see all the kids and everyone outside in the water enjoying themselves. And you can see the blue waters of the Bahamas and experience that. From here we can go up to the flybridge. This is where we store our toys. We've got 2 lovely jet skis, 2 e-foils and 2 sea bobs for your entertainment. And we've got a lovely jacuzzi right here behind us, 2 bunny pads that actually flip up if you want to sit and lie and tan. And then you bring you to this beautiful area where everyone can come sit after a long day of excursions. A lot of people come sit here, read books, listen to music and just have a relaxing day. We've got a mini bar over here with 2 ice machines. Another area where you can come sit here and just enjoy the day and enjoy the sun of the Bahamas. Through here, this is the captain's bridge. This is our captain, Valdo Swart.
Nice to meet you.
He's responsible for our safety on board and all the entertainment and all the decision making. And I can assure you, you'll have so much fun on this charter boat.
Welcome, my name is Captain Waldo and I've been on board Limitless for 3 years. We have a very strong team on Limitless. We do many charters every year and we enjoy what we do and make sure that the guests also have the same experience. I have been 9 years in the industry and for Limitless only 3 years of that. We have 4 crew members, myself, Chef Chris, Michael and Andy, and we make sure that you all have a great time.
This is our lovely main salon where people can come sit here, read books, watch a great movie, sports. We've got direct TV or satellite. We've got a lovely bar here where our stew makes the best cocktails. You can play some board games here, relax, read a book and just enjoy the evening. Our dining table accommodates 8 guests because we've got 4 staterooms which sleeps 8 people. So let me go show you downstairs. So firstly we'll introduce you to the port side. It's a lovely queen bed that sleeps 2. We've got the cupboards, we've got a TV right here that's connected to the direct TV, or you can stream any movie you would like. And over here we have a head and a shower. Same with our starboard cabin. Also a queen bed, lovely spacious, and we've got the head and the shower on that side. And then let me take you to the master bedroom. This is the lovely master bedroom with both sides, with spacious closets on both port side and starboard side. And we've got a him and his bathroom right here with a middle shower and a bathtub on this side, which you can enjoy. So let me show you the VIP area or cabin. It's our VIP cabin with our chief stew, or sole stew, should I say, Andy.
Hi, my name is Andy. I've been in yachting for about 5 years, from 82 foot boats all the way up to 260 foot boats. My main duties on board is to make sure that the guests have the most memorable time ever with regards to service, making cocktails, keeping the cabins clean, and just overall making sure that the guests are happy. We continue the tour of the VIP. This is the head. It's really big and spacious, big shower, and behind this mirror, just try not to create any marks, we have some sunlight coming in, so at least it brightens it up. When we're in the Bahamas, there's beautiful blues and turquoise colors out there.
So this is the way to the galley. This is where the magic happens on every single charter. This is where we sit as a crew and eat, and this is where we get the chance to actually speak to all the guests. And this is our lovely chef, Chef Chris.
I'm Chris, I'm the chef on board Limitless. This is my galley. Love this place. This is where I bake, this is where I cook, and this is where I try to create an experience you will never forget, ever. Come join, we'll have a great time.
Let me show you the bow. This is our bow area where people can come and enjoy the lovely Bahama sun and the waters, the blue waters. You can tan here, read a book, and just enjoy the ride.
Thank you for visiting us here on Limitless, and I hope you had a great time. We look forward to meeting you in future.